Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be addressing the technical analysis for the MicroStrategy aka MSTR, and I will be covering what is the current market structure for this MicroStrategy, second support and resistance, third possible scenarios for uptrend and downtrend, and lastly which I will be talking in between what I do in this channel through technical analysis and its implications. So without any further delay, let's start with the market current structure, and I also gonna talk about what I do in between. And again, one thing, not again, but yeah, it's about disclaimer. What I am talking about in this video has nothing to do about any financial recommendation or suggestion. Please do your own research and analysis for any sort of financial decision. So what I do is I do a technical analysis through multiple time frames. In this case, and in this video, and also in other future videos which I will be doing, I'll do the analysis in 1 day, 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. People who do not have any idea about this multiple time frame analysis, if you keep watching my content, you'll get the idea about the multiple time frame analysis. And in this video, as I said, I will be talking about the MicroStrategy aka MSTR. So for that, I'll start with the higher time frame, the daily time frame, what is happening in the daily time frame, and then we will cover the levels, all of the levels which I will be highlighting in the daily time frame, and then at the same time I will sync those levels in all of these time frame, and then we will see what is happening with the stock. So, and that has to do with the market structure, and also has to do with the support and resistance, and again all of these things I will be talking about now. So let's delete this and then let's start with the analysis. So first of all, let me just add another thing about what I do, and what are the basis of me doing these analysis has to do with these indicator. I mean, there are several indicators available in available in TradingView for technical analysis. I have my own indicator for these analysis which I'm doing, so which has to do with some levels, and again it has nothing to do about any sort of a recommendation. Please keep that in mind. And these my indicator indicates some thing about the levels. If the price, for an example, when I'm talking about this one, let's start with this level here, okay? And also it has to do with the market structure. So currently the price where this MSTR is trading, it is trading above this level, and this level. And the immediate level we have is this one, of course, right? Not this one, not this one. The immediate level is this one. And what this tells us about the MSTR MicroStrategy stock is the market is bullish. Today when I'm recording this video, the stock is up 3.81, and it's still fluctuating, so 3.76, 3.8, something like that, and is up by that much percent. So uh, the reason for that uptrend, there are other stocks which are down, but this MicroStrategy is up because the market structure for this MicroStrategy is bullish. And let me just add the level which my indicator is indicating. This is one of that level, and that level has this price 113.29. As long as in a daily time frame, specifically I'm pointing the daily time frame, okay, as long as the price is trading above this level 113.29, the market will remain bullish as long as price is trading above this level. Now in terms of resistance, this we have this price as in resistance, and I am gonna mark down these levels with its own specific time frame, daily, and then I'm gonna sync these levels also, all all. Oh, by the way, let me just keep it for the time being here in its own time frame, and we will see where these levels are in other time frame. bring it to front, bring it to front. And as I said, as long as the price of this micro strategy is trading above this level, the price, the market is bullish. And right now, the immediate resistance micro strategy has is this level, 131.69. So, what is happening with this? These two levels and price where it is trading is, and the possible scenario is today when I'm recording this video, the price is trading in between these two levels. And in coming days, if price, if I'm talk about, if I talk about the possible uptrend scenarios, if and it has to do with the continuation of the uptrend. If in the next session or any daily session, if price or the candle closed, one of the candle, daily candle, I'm talking about the daily candle, okay, daily candle closed above this level here and started trading above this level and keep on trading above this level, there will be there is a chance as the price will continue go for the uptrend. And when it comes to the target in the daily level, we have this, okay, and I haven't talked about even right now the higher time frame, so let's add those also in the picture, because those will be there in the analysis if it is there. So yeah, in the 3-day time frame, we other than this daily level, we have these levels. So the chances are the price will continue go for first this level and then this level. So since the price is right now here, and the immediate resistance of the immediate level, the next level we have is from the daily level, so I'm not gonna talk about this level, but future in future the price the price will most likely go for this level. But before reaching to these two levels, which I'm not adding it right now, the price first try to go and yeah, try to go for this specific level, 190.22. And the scenario for that to happen is the daily candle, one of the daily candles should close above this level. And again, I'm repeating, it should keep on trading above this level, then only it is possible. Since I also said the market structure of this micro strategy is bullish, and now let's talk about the support. If any case, if price started declining from its price level, which I will talk about further in the other lower time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, I think I will also add a little bit about the 15-minute time frame, price action. But as if let's say the price keep on started declining, or there will be some sort of fall, then the immediate support this micro strategy has is this level. So another opportunity for with this micro strategy in terms of going for some sort of a support is this level. So this is what we have in the daily. And I think, yeah, I will be taking only this level, but just for the reference purposes, we also have this level. Okay, this is another level which I'm not gonna include it in this analysis, because it will take a lot of time, another time for this level. But I'm just gonna point out, if price even falls below this level, if by any chance price falls below this level and started trading here, then the immediate support, the next support is this one, and then after that we also have this one. But yeah, let's keep in this video, let's keep only this and this, and specifically right now this level. So now let's talk about this analysis in 4 hour time frame. And for that, let me sync these levels in other time frame also, so that we will get the picture, the overall picture. Let me just, oh, no, this is resistance daily. Oh, let's put it this way, daily resistance, and we have daily support one. and then this is going to be support 2. This is daily main support 1. So I sync all these levels in all the time frame, and now let me just add this one also. Daily target. So this is the target which I'm expecting, or eventually this micro strategy will try to go for. So now let's talk about the analysis in the lower time frame. Not even lower, but yeah, below the daily time frame levels. So what we have here, first of all, let's do these again. Let me just keep this for the time being here in the current interval, and then we will first do the analysis for its own 4-hour time frame. I'm going to include those level in later after analyzing the 4-hour time frame. So right now in the 4-hour time frame, in terms of its ongoing candle, we have this level which is kind of acting as an 4-hour resistance, and as we can see, we still have 1 hour and 27 and 40 seconds left for the closing of this 4-hour candle. If candle, the way it is, forming, and by the end of the 4-hour candle, if it remain like this, then this is going to be the first and the immediate support for let's put it this way, 4-hour support 1, the immediate support 121.91, and we have immediate or next below support from this is this one, and this is main support, 4-hour main support. And as okay, let's keep only these two levels here for the time being in the 4-hour time frame, and now let's include these levels here in the 4-hour time frame also. Oh, so sync an hour time frame. Okay, now if okay, so we have if we look at these levels here after me adding all the daily levels in lower time frame, currently the micro strategy has it has a immediate support as this one, 4-hour level 121.91, and the scenario for the downside or for the continuation is when let's talk about the downtrend. If after the closing of this 4-hour candle, if any of the 4-hour candle closes below this level, if the closing is in the downside, then there will be a case or there will be a scenario that price will most likely go for this level, and this is this what is this level? This daily level which I was talking about in this daily analysis or daily level analysis. And let's delete these. Okay, let me take these directional path. One of the important level we have along with this daily level in the 4-hour is this level, for 106.92, and this level is slightly above the daily level, the level which is this one from the daily time frame. So as long as again price is trading based on the market structure, the bullish is there as long as the price is trading above this level, daily main S1, daily main support 1, even if price falls below this level, then this will become the main support. But the chances are, in terms of the target which I am expecting with this micro strategy is this one. For that, I mean, I am more leaning towards this target. The price will go for this one. For this to happen, price has to keep on trading above this level. And if this happens, if the price keep on trading above this level, then this is one of those daily time frame level where the price gonna get a rejection. But as long as the prices keep on trading in between these two level, during in sort of a way where the price may consolidate, and then eventually there will be a daily candle when the price closed above this level in one of the daily time frame, because this is the daily level. This level which I'm pointing out is a daily level. So for this, for some sort of a confirmation, one of the daily candles should close above this level. Oh, come on. Yeah, above this level. Daily candle should close above this level, and then after that there will be this possible target which MicroStrategy stock will try to go for. And and after reaching to this level, there will be some sort of a downfall which I think which is going to happen. And yeah, that is the most likely case, until or unless if the price keep trading and continue for the upside for this level, and on a daily level price closes above this level and keep on trading above this level, then price may go for this one also. But if any of the daily level after reaching to this level, if either any of the daily candle closes below the level, then there will be some sort of a downtrend or sell off which will be there. So yeah, this is what I have, and I am not talking about this 1 hour and 15 minutes for the time being, because everything which is happening with this micro strategy has to do with this. First of all, 4 hour and then daily. Right now, main thing which is happening with this stock is in the daily time frame. Slight and slightly below the daily time frame, everything which is happening is in the 4 hour time frame. And for the reason is price is trying to go for this level, and from here onwards, after reaching to this price level, we might gonna see some sort of a sell-off. So yeah, this is what I do in my analysis and through this channel. And again, it has all the levels which I talked about has nothing to do about any sort of financial decision or buying and selling stuff. I do not do those things. What I'm doing is I'm sharing for educational and information purposes only, because what I am using for my analysis is my own indicator. So please do your own research and analysis for any sort of a financial decision. And with this note, if you are interested about these sort of a technical analysis, you can subscribe my channel, click the notification bell for future updates. And yeah, that's all for now. Bye bye, see you in the next video.